Why do you think it is that some of the fast food chains like Wendy's or McDonald's haven't been adopting some of the better burger practices or not effectively? And is that a real opportunity for you guys to steal market share and really ramp up that business?
Sure, I would say when we started SmashBurger 4 or 5 years ago, we saw one of the opportunities that the major players hadn't really been investing in what I call their burger equity for a long time. They were focused on coffee and chicken and breakfast and lots of other things besides their burgers. I would say that started to change in the last couple of years. I mean, Wendy's here has come out and announced a new reformatting their burger business, and you're seeing McDonald's try to do some regional burgers. But I would say at the end of the day that customers are really looking for a great burger and a great experience, and we think that a firm like SmashBurger really is able to deliver on that.
How much money have you guys invested in the business, and could you guys bring on board additional outside investment?
Sure. So to date we've invested about $25 million to get SmashBurger started and where it is today. Every day I've got people knocking on my door who want to be able to invest in SmashBurger given how well we've been doing and the opportunity in burgers. So we do have a couple of outside investors who are either joint venture partners in certain markets for us, certainly the management team, and we're always looking at opportunities to bring on additional capital.
Could you talk a little bit about the possibility of either making acquisitions or being acquired?
Sure. In terms of buying something, we're really focused on building SmashBurger the brand. So in terms of buying another brand or buying another restaurant company, really not at SmashBurger. Our investment firm, Consumer Capital Partners, we're looking at that all the time, but SmashBurger really focused on building SmashBurger. In terms of the second part of your question, I think we're looking 10, 20, 30-year point of view. I mean, there's I could see us being public at some point or, figuring out a way to really expand our growth. But in terms of being acquired, this is one of the best investments, that we have and really have a very, very long-term view in holding it.
Could you talk a little bit about international expansion? I think that's a pretty interesting aspect to your business right now.
Yeah, it's new for us. We decided early in our career that we felt the rest of the world opportunity was as big as the United States and that we should start to explore it a lot sooner than some other of our competitors have done. So we're going to open our first restaurants in Kuwait this year in March or April. We actually just signed an agreement to open in Latin America with a very, very experienced restaurant operator, Richard Eisenberg. We're going to be going corporately to Canada in the April timeframe. And so we're looking to expand, our brand, around the globe over the next 4 or 5 years.